I went to market and bought old chicken. I did not know it was old until I got home. I applied my glaze and let it sit for a bit. When I checked the fridge, gray fur had begun to grow. I thought to myself, this chicken is old. I've bought old chicken. Old chicken hair was there, so back to market I went with Gertie in tow. Had grown quite a bit. Old chicken. I was refunded. Don't know what happened to Gertie. When I got home I realized the glaze I used was Propacia. Was not wearing my glasses. Thought it said pomegranate. Old chicken.